Now friends, come to this particular question number 3. Now this particular question, now it's mainly on the meaning of the export turnover and total turnover and all that. That it is a simple understanding. See, total profit is how much it is given, 50. So from 50 you will have to give a deduction under 10AA. Now you have to do the turnover calculations. The total turnover is already given to you as 500, and you want the export turnover now. Okay. Now consideration should have been received within 6 months, so it is already received. So export turnover is 250. Okay. Now proceeds credited to a separate account with the approval of the RBI. This is also part of the export turnover. Okay. First of all, now let me bring this particular point to your notice. See, first of all, the export turnover is such turnover with respect to article, things, services rendered, brought into India within the provisions of section 4A, subsection 4A. Okay, and this subsection 4A makes it very clear that it should be brought within 6 months or such further period as may be considered. Okay, and competent authority for this purpose is the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, and if there is any sale of goods, provision, services, etc., if it is credited to a separate account, maintained for such purpose, okay, outside India. So basically it is a foreign exchange credit outside India, but with respect to the approved account, that way you can say. Okay, so if it is credited outside India, but as per the approved account or as per the permission given to you by the Reserve Bank of India, that will be also regarded as a part of the export turnover. Okay, further, telecom and insurance charges, okay, these are to be excluded from the export turnover. Okay, and the staff cost, travel expense in foreign exchange for the purpose of providing technical assistance with respect to the foreign, that is also to be deducted in terms of the export turnover. Okay, so the export turnover is further defined as already explained, but I once again repeat. Okay, so this is the meaning of the export turnover, and it does not include freight, telecommunication charges, insurance attributable to the delivery, etc., articles of thing outside India, or any expenses incurred in the foreign exchange for rendering services outside India. Okay, so your turnover has to be excluding this freight, telecommunication charges, etc., as provided here. Okay, so this will be 250, my export turnover. So this is my total turnover, and export turnover already got this particular proportion, that is basically 50%. So that is going to be the deduction and my net total income. Okay, as simple as that. So this is the amount of the deduction under section 10AA.